Let's take a look at the message receiving process. The message receiving process includes listening, analyzing, and checking for understanding. First of all, you have to listen, as it's an important part of communication. Analyzing is the process of thinking about, decoding, and evaluating a message. As the speaker sends the message, you should be doing two things. Use the speed of your brain positively to mentally repeat or paraphrase, organize, summarize, review, and interpret what's being said. Waiting to evaluate until after listening. You should first listen to the entire message without perception bias and then come to your conclusion. Checking understanding is the process of giving feedback. After you've listened to the message, or while listening, if it's a long message, check your understanding of the message by doing two things. Give feedback by paraphrasing the message back to the sender and ask questions if you don't understand. Watching nonverbal behavior. As you speak, watch the other person's nonverbal communication. If the person does not understand, clarify the message before finishing the conversation.